like the girls. She on board.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Corona time. Today's currently Monday and the time is 10 to 12 and I'm still in my pyjamas. Soz about it, mom. Just spent the morning doing blogger stuff, graphics. Eddie's birthday. Come here. Eddie's 7. Happy birthday, babe. Birthday. Yeah. Put a little bit of makeup on, get dressed and ready for the day. Maybe put on some workout gear. Ooh, that'd be really productive of me. I need to make my bed, deal with this pile of laundry, which is just getting a bit out of hand. Music-wise, I've just been really liking going through my, like, all my songs. But I'm gonna make a playlist soon, and that'll be probably Wednesdays or Fridays, but post depending on when I do it. So this is my outfit of the day. I decided to go with gym clothes because it's comfy and I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff. And yes, I wear a bra and a sports bra. I've got too big boobs to just wear a little sports bra. So, bed is made, laundry is gone. I've done a room tour pretty recently, so I'll link that in the description box if you're interested in seeing a bit more detail of what is in each of my drawers and everything. But I'm going to try and do like some calming time lapses for you all. So, the room is clean. Empty the laundry bin, and then they're the old flowers. And then I've done all of those sides. I moved my computer into the middle of the desk because I want to start using the computer more. All the windowsills done, all of this is done. And then we've got this pile on my bed, which is all the stuff that I found around my room that doesn't belong in the place that it was in. So I'm going to quickly put all of that back now. my room is all completely tidy, clean, disinfected and organised. And the time is now 12:30. I'm going to quickly pop on a little bit of makeup, I think. So here is my makeup and I am just going to make myself some lunch. Guys, so I know this does not really count as isolating, but I'm popping out to Waitrose to go and get some food because my mum's gone to work, so she obviously can't go and get it herself. And we're running low on some bits, so I want to get it because in the UK we don't know what's going to happen next. Not normally a Waitrose bitch, but in my area Waitrose is literally the only shop that has food in it. So yeah, guys, so I have just got home from Waitrose and I'll show you what I got when I get home. But it was just really like kind of scary going out. Like I drove through town on my way back, so I was just intrigued to see. As I was saying, it was kind of scary to see how like real this is, and I think it's baffling when people don't realise how real this is, because there was barely anybody out today, like in the town, like everywhere. It was just quiet and it's so bizarre to see. It was a bit of a weird outing, but I thought I would do a little haul of what I bought, some random stuff for the house, and also just really random, I'm not gonna lie. Got some sugar because I had a feeling that I ran out of caster sugar, so I just got some more. I may be completely wrong with that, but whatever. Got some tonic water for those G&Ts, and I also got myself some wine because obviously this is my favourite one. Gallo Family Summer Rosé. I got a couple of bottles of that. It's literally the cheapest thing ever. It's like £4, I think. £4 or £5. I got some panini rolls for lunches. I got some new bananas because I'm going to use those ones up, and our family only eat ones that are quite green or bright yellow. Got some more brie because I've nearly finished mine. Got some potatoes. These are the ones my mum liked and requested. Oh my god, my dog's going psycho again. Some red grapes for my mum, limes for some G&Ts, and some honey. That's my little haul. Random, but stuff that we need. Time is 10 past 2, and I'm going to take the dogs out. So I'm going to grab my AirPods and I might ring my friend while I'm walking because I haven't spoken to her. That was a really weird experience. I don't even know how to describe that. Okay, I'm just going to put all this food away and then I'm going to go put the leads on and then we're going to go out. Yeah. Hello everybody, so I've just got back from a little dog walk. Here they are. How are you, my little pals? Oh my goodness, you're the cutest things ever. I'm going to make some banana bread. Ooh, Chef Liv, at it again. I would say I'd montage it, but I feel like I have already done enough montages for today, so yeah. I'm using the Hummingbird Bakery recipe if you're interested, and yeah, I'm looking at this view. It's literally so gorgeous. Look at what a lovely day it is outside. Okay, so I have made the banana bread, and it's just in the oven cooking up now. That'll be in for like an hour or so, and I just remembered that I forgot to hang the washing out earlier, so I've just hung out my bed sheets. Now I just need to wash up the baking stuff and then I want to make some TikTok. Say hello to everybody. Look, what's that? Just burped for the camera. I've said this a ton over my Instagram and literally every social media, but making TikToks, like I've just spent 20 minutes dancing, making TikToks. You don't even have to post anything, just learning them is so fun. like this one I did yesterday. Oh. Just like making little TikToks, like I made this one today. It gets you out of breath, it gets your heart pumping, like it's a good form of exercise if you hate exercising like me. Yeah, I really recommend it. I'm gonna go and clean the kitchen now, and yeah. Hello everybody, Madre is now back. Say hey to the vlog. And we're having some pita breads and hummus because we're a bit peckish. Eddie's had his birthday present. Is this yours? Oh, so got him these as well. They're smoked cod squid skins. Banana bread's come out as well. The house smells unreal of banana bread. Got the fun, about half an hour or so, waiting for good old Boris. Because that's what we're doing in the UK at the moment, where we have the news on, because Boris comes on every day. But yeah, that is all for today's video. If you did enjoy it, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and let me know if you want more chilled, homey, but productive days like this. Be sure to let me know in the comments what you've been up to during this period of isolation. I'd love to know. Just check out my blog. It's just byolivviagrace.co.uk. I'll leave it in a link in the description box down below. The socials and shit are all in the description box as usual. But yeah, have the best day everybody, and I'll catch you all next time for a brand new video. Bye.